I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we're doing the 18-inch boy doll challenge that is put out by my channel, Gosha at Dolls, Trolls, and More, Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse, and Irene from Irene Huff's Dolly Space. And we put out a challenge each month. This month it was for your 18-inch boy dolls, Christmas, anything Christmas. I made him this cutest, I think it's cute, little suit coat. It has the lapel and it has the little collar. It's all finished inside. I absolutely love it. The plan was I was going to make him matching pants. I love those Christmas suits where they're made out of a loud Christmas print, and usually the print on them, snowmen, Santas, trees, whatever it is going sideways and everywhere. And I was going to make him pants and a tie to match when I found this. I went up, I keep my AG clothes, my 18-inch doll clothes in, I buy cat litter in the plastic tubs, and then when the litter's gone, I clean those up, I spray paint them, and then I put a doll size on it, and I store clothes in them up in the attic. And I knew I had some American Girl dresses that my dolls had never worn before, and I used that for my elf doll on the 21st. And when I went in to look for those, I found this Santa suit. I had bought these. I used to do on my channel, oh, I'm sorry, I was pulling your shirt down in the back. I used to do a beginner crafters videos, and I would mail out little packets. And I bought a bunch of these, and what we did is we did different things to them to enhance the outfits. So I had these, and I thought, oh my God, that is perfect, perfect for the Christmas challenge. So as much as I like his little suit coat, I'm loving the Santa Claus outfit. Thank you so much for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go by Penny, Gosha, and Irene's channel. I'll leave a link below. And if you have an 18-inch doll today dressed in a Christmas outfit or Christmas, please leave your channel name below, or leave me a note. Your channel name will be there, and so I can go see it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Merry, Merry Christmas.